Good evening, friends. I'm sure most of us gets angry, right? And then we express differently. Could be with our words we speak, could be our expressions, anger, and many other things. So let's discuss how can we address this with the help of book called Nonviolence Communication by Maxwell Rosenberg. In this book, he has shared us how can we arrange or how can we manage such kind of thing with four different components of this non-violence communication. So first is he has asked to observe. So one is observation. Just observe what has happened. Then what is the feeling about it? How do you feel when you observe? Third, what is a need or value or desire is connected to that feeling. The request, what is expected result or could be solution or could be specific actionable thing which you want which you would want to get corrected or could be avoided in future. So observation, feeling, need, and request. Now let's understand this with the help of example, right? So we work in office. So let's take two different examples. So one is workplace misunderstanding. So your colleague miss deadline of your project. Definitely that's a challenge. But then how you react on this with violence response. You are irresponsible, you are X and Y and Z, which you could not meet deadlines and blah blah blah. You get frustrated and angry. That's called violent communication. Now what he's asking us to follow these four steps. One, first observation. Observation is what the person did not submit his report yesterday. Your colleague. What is the feeling because of you? Your deadline of the project is missed, so definitely you will stress and disappointed. That is a feeling. What is your real need? You require a reliability. You require a teamwork. That's what your intention is, so that you can deliver the project effectively. What request you can make to that person rather than angering and screaming, shouting. Would you willing to let me know earlier if the task might be delayed next time? Now, during this particular communication, your colleague who hears this, so he is experienced it without feeling attacked, and you make very clear and doable request. I know there are people who creates a lot of challenges, but at least you can just use a firm tone rather than screaming, shouting. Example number two, that is in a personal life relationship, right? So basically, you have your partner and you would like to spend some time with your partner. But unfortunately, for example, during your dinner time, she takes a call or she is always on mobile. So what do you say? Your response, you care more about phone than me. You are disrespecting me every now and then. That's our communication. We get angry if I and we speak out. Spouse could be husband or wife. Anyway, now what is our observation when you see the person is on a phone while you eat or while you're dinner? What is your feeling? You feel lonely or could be disconnected because he or she, your spouse is on phone during your dinner, so you feel disconnected. Now, why you feel disconnected? What is the intention behind that? Because your intention was to have a quality time together with your spouse. That's what your intention was, right? That is called need. What request you can make it to your spouse? Would you willing to keep phone away during our dinner, or could be lunch, or could be breakfast, whatever things what you face, so that we can talk, we can share our views, and we can enjoy our life too. So this open space for communication of understanding instead of screaming, shouting, and spoiling our relationship. So I hope you understood that communication can be violent also, and most of the times the relationship gets spoiled, could be personal and professional, is only because of the non-violence communication. So always try to use this non-violence communication options to make the things done, to improve the relationship and live a happy life. Thanks for watching. Myself Ganesh, Mindset and Communication Coach. You may reach on my WhatsApp 9880537357 and email Ganesh underscore Burade at yahoo.com. GANESH underscore BORHADE at yahoo.com. Thanks for watching, and let's meet next time for further topic. Thanks for watching. Bye for